I've traveled to 50 countries now. Some of my favorite travel memories would probably have to be trekking with mountain gorillas in Rwanda, in the Congo. Also safari in Africa, seeing lions and leopards and cheetahs. Diving with whale sharks, hiking Kilimanjaro. Antarctica, seeing penguins and icebergs. I got to kayak in Antarctica. Being that close to a giant iceberg was awesome. I decided to get surgery because my contacts and glasses are a constant pain. I had the LASIK procedure done and it was really fast, way faster than I expected. It didn't hurt at all. It was just like a little bit of pressure. And then I was done in like 5 minutes, got up, went home, and then I could see.
We're on Antarctica!
I am a tour guide for a travel company. I love seeing places through my traveler's eyes because I've been to the places, so seeing it for the first time through them is something that I really, really enjoy.